Welcome to the NachoNacho SaaS Marketplace Affiliate Program. Earn 100% rev share for any company you refer that upgrades to a premium account. You'll earn $5 per month per employee for 1 year, so the larger the company you refer, the larger your recurring revenue will be. You can join the program through our partner Redditus. Calculate how much you can earn based on the number of companies you think you can sign up for a NachoNacho premium account. The basic account gets all users access to 300 plus SaaS and business perks in the marketplace, but premium is so much more powerful. It includes 700 software deals and access to powerful SaaS management and software recommendation features. The easiest way to promote NachoNacho is to promote any of the 700 plus software products we have direct relationships with in our SaaS marketplace. Who doesn't love to save 30% on average or up to 90% on the software their business needs today? As an example, your customer could be saving 15% on Gusto and getting 6 months free. In addition to SaaS deals, we also have a services marketplace where you can recommend service providers, agencies, and service integrators. Lastly, the premium accounts come with powerful SaaS management and recommendation features. These tools help companies track and control their subscriptions across the entire company and discover new relevant software for their business based on artificial intelligence-powered recommendations. Join NachoNacho's affiliate program today and start earning 100% revenue share for 1 year by promoting the software products, services, and features that fit best with your audience.